morning, everyone. Check out this bad Blazer. Coming in for a little bit of maintenance. Need some link bar bushings. Right now we have it in the air. We're gonna get it jacked up on jack stands so we can start getting it taken apart. I'll show you all it laid out in a little bit once we get it finished. It's got a nice interior. We'll get this one taken care of and get it back on the road. Up on jack stands. We'll go ahead and get these link bars pulled out so we can get these bushings replaced. This one's a quick one. All right, got one link bar out. As you can see, the bushings were totally destroyed, which it happens. Well, you're supposed to do maintenance, and bushings are part of that. New ones are in this one. 3 more bars to go. Let's get this one back in and grab the other one. Onto this one. You see it is offsetting. Be sure the axle is shifting. A lot of play. This one had no bushings on this side. And there's the new ones. Ready to go. I'll get that bushing pulled, put the new ones in, get that bar in, and move on to the next one. All right, all the bushings are in. Pinion angle's set. Wheels are now centered better. Much better. You can see the bushings inside the link bar. Nice and snug, no play. This thing's gonna ride smooth. I'll get this thing off jack stands and get it out of here. It'll go home. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful Blazer on the floor. Can't get cleaner than that. This one's done. Owner can come get it. Might be for sale. I think he said 45. I'll take it from him. Pony up some money. It's got a built 350 with only 500 miles on it. Thing's clean. Showed y'all the interior earlier. All digital dash. Beautiful truck. Like I said, you guys keep watching. I'll work on anything. Bring it to me. Got clean paint or not, I'll take care of it.